Making money online is not just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you to grab it. Think about your skills. Are you a whiz at graphic design, writing, or coding? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines for freelancers. You can set your own rates and work on projects that excite you. If you love sharing your thoughts, start a blog or a YouTube channel. With the right content and consistency, you can monetize through ads and sponsorships. Don't forget about e-commerce. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Find a niche you're passionate about and let your creativity shine. And if you're into investing, consider learning about stocks or cryptocurrency. Start small, educate yourself, and watch your money grow. The internet is a vast playground of opportunities. Dive in, stay focused, and remember, every small step counts towards your financial freedom.